Hello students, I am Mr. Rohan Sakle and today we are here to study the concept related to the microwave oven. You all know that what is microwave oven and what is use of this microwave oven. Basically, this microwave oven is used to cook the food or it is used to heat the food. But along with this microwave oven, we are also having the conventional oven. Then why this microwave oven becomes so much popular in nowadays? So because this whatever we conventional oven is there, that conventional oven or in case of conventional oven, when we heat or when we put the food inside a conventional oven, that food is get heated from outside in. That is, we can say that as in case of conventional oven, uh, the outer surface of food is exposed to the heat for a longer time. So outer surface is get heated first for longer time, and then whatever inner part of that food is get heated. But as the long outer part is get heated for a longer time, as compared to that, inner part is not get heated. So due to this, in case of conventional oven, the food is cooked or get heated unevenly. But in case of this microwave oven, the microwave oven, magnetron is there. That magnetron generates the microwaves, and these microwaves enter into the food which we have placed inside that food compartment. The microwaves have one characteristic that they enter into the fat. We can say they enter into the fat, sugar and water. So they enter into this fat, sugar and water. So once they enter into this, whatever molecules present inside that molecules get started vibrating, and due to that heat is get generated, and due to that heat our food is get cooked or food is get heated. So due to this, as this microwave penetrates into this food, the whatever food is there, that food is cooked or food is get heated evenly. So due to this, or due to this microwave oven is become more popular, and also this microwave oven consumes less energy as compared to other. So due to this, our microwave oven is become more popular as compared with the other conventional ovens. So the both are used to cook or heat the food. Conventional oven is there or microwave oven is there. Both are used to cook the food. But nowadays, as I said, microwave oven is used all over the world. So when we see that microwave oven, the first thing obviously comes in mind that how it works and when it was invented. So in this lecture we are going to study the same, the history of this microwave oven, and we are also going to study that how this microwave oven cook the food. So let's start with this history of microwave oven. Okay, unlike many great inventions, microwave oven were accidental discovery. So they had no intention to develop this microwave oven. This microwave oven was invented, or it is an accidental discovery. Basically, one of the electrical engineer, that is Percy Spencer, he was the American electrical engineer. He was working in a Raytheon manufacturing company, and that time he was carrying some experiments with the magnetron. Basically this magnetron is there which is used to generate the microwaves. So he was experimenting with it, with that microtron, and one day while experimenting with this magnetron, he was carrying chocolate bar inside his pocket. So when he turns on, or when he switched on that magnetron, he saw that the chocolate bar which was there inside his pocket was melted, and it was melted quickly. Then he realized that chocolate bar was melted due to the heat generated by this magnetron, and that time he got that idea that the magnetron might be used to cook the food. So he start doing the experiment by using the magnetron. So after successful cooking of some popcorns, he realized that he could develop a microwave oven for cooking all types of food, and from this the invention or microwave oven was discovered. So this is an microwave which was discovered accidentally. So accidentally he was carrying the chocolate bar, and that was get melted due to the heat of this magnetron, and that time he realized and he developed the microwave oven, and he was after that he was granted a series of patent for this idea in early 1950s. Okay, again the Spencer early equipment was relatively crude compared to the modern wipe clean microwaves. Again, whatever first microwave oven was developed, it was around 5 feet in height. So just imagine 5 feet in height microwave oven. So microwave oven with 5 feet in height. Nowadays we are having microwave oven which are very compact. We can easily carry that microwave oven from one place to another place. But initially, whatever microwave oven was developed, it was around 5 feet in height. So then, since then, the microwave oven become much more compact, as I said. So say after that, the development goes on continuing, and then the microwave become much more compact from that 5 feet height, and nowadays millions of them have been sold throughout the world, as many of the families are using this microwave oven, and nowadays this microwave oven is one of the part of the kitchen. So this is one of the important part of the home appliances. So this is about this history of microwave oven, how it was invented and when it was invented. It was invented in the early 1950. So this is about the history related to the microwave oven. So now we know that when we place this microwave, so when we place food inside that microwave oven, what we do, we simply place that food, we close the door, and we simply set the temperature and timing, and we set the we turn on that microwave oven, or we press the simple start button, and after 1 or 2 minutes, or as per the time, the food is get heated, and we get the cooked or heated food in very quick time. But how this background process works? By simply pressing one single button, how that food is get cooked in microwave. So let's discuss how this microwave oven cook the food. So I got this image from the Explain the Stuff. So here I have shown one simple image with the different main components in the microwave oven. So let's discuss this one by one. So the first thing is that, as I said, the main part of this microwave is magnetron. This magnetron is also called as microwave generator. It generates the microwave which is used to heat the, or which is required to heat the food. So basically inside whatever this magnetron is there, that magnetron is placed inside the metal box. So this is a metal box I have shown over here by the black boundary, and inside that strong metal box, that magnetron is placed. So this is a simple picture of the magnetron. So this is not a real picture. So I have just tried to show this, that magnetron is placed in the strong metal box, and this is used to generate the microwave, okay, which are required to cook the food. So this is a magnetron. So once we turn on, or when you start the cooking, the magnetron takes this magnetron takes the electricity from the power outlet and convert it into high powered radio waves. So when you turn on your microwave, that magnetron takes electricity from power outlet and it converts it into high powered radio waves. As I said, magnetron is used to generate the microwaves. So it simply takes the electricity and convert it into the high powered radio waves, and this magnetron blasts these waves into the food compartment through the channel called as waveguide. So here this is a waveguide through which the magnetron blasts the waves inside this food compartment. This is the food compartment in which this magnetron blasts these waves through this waveguide. So this is a waveguide shown by this yellow color. Okay, here this is a waveguide. So the waves, microwaves, enter into the food compartment through this waveguide. Now when we place the food inside that food compartment, if you have seen, when we turn on that microwave oven, that food gets start rotating slowly, or it starts spinning slowly. Why the purpose of that spinning? Why that food is not steady when we turn on that microwave? So the main reason behind that is to cook that food evenly. So once the microwave enter into that food compartment, they enter from one side. Okay, and if the food is in steady state, then there are chances that our food is get heated unevenly. Okay, so from one side or only from the few sides, that microwave penetrate inside that food, and due to that only that part from which it get penetrate, that part will get heated. So to avoid this, or to cook the food evenly, the turntable is placed inside that food compartment, which spins slowly around, so that microwave cook the food evenly. So this is the main reason that food inside that compartment turns slowly, or the main reason of using the turntable mechanism inside that food compartment. So then after that, the microwave which are enter into this compartment, they get bounced back forth. So they get bounced back and forth due to this metal wall, which is reflective metal wall is there. So due to that reflective metal wall, the microwave which are there inside the food compartment get reflected forth and back. So once they are reflecting, once they enter to the once they enter into the food, or once they reaches to the food, they do not bounce back. They do not bounce off. They penetrate inside the food. Okay. So as I said, microwave has characteristics that they enter into the sugar, water, and fat. So once they strike to the food, or once they reaches to the food, they do not simply bounce off. They simply penetrate inside that food. Okay, and as they travel through that food, they make the molecule inside that to vibrate more quickly. So as they travel through it, they makes molecules inside it vibrate more quickly. So due to this microwave, whatever molecules present inside the food start vibrating. Okay, so vibrating molecules have heat. We know that when the molecules start vibrating, they generates the heat. So these vibrating molecules have heat. So faster the molecule vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Okay, so due to this, our food is get heated. So this is the main mechanism, or the the main reason of heating the food is that waves enter into the food, they vibrates the molecule, vibrating molecules have heat, and due to that heat, our food is get heated evenly. So thus the microwave passes their energy onto the molecules in the food and rapidly heat the food. So this is the main working of this microwave oven. So this is a very simple working is there. I hope you understand this working. So in this lecture, what we have studied, we have simply studied the history that as I said, this microwave oven is accidental discovery. The Percy Spencer which was an American electrical engineer. He was working with the magnetron in a Raytheon manufacturing company, and while working with that, accidentally one day he was carrying a chocolate bar, and when he turned on that magnetron, that time the chocolate bar was melted quickly due to the heat generated by this magnetron, and that time he got the idea that he can cook the food with the help of this magnetron. And after successful cooking of this some popcorns, he developed the microwave oven. The first microwave oven was developed in the early 1950s. Then whatever first microwave oven was there, it was around 5 feet in height, and nowadays we are having very compact size microwave oven, and nowadays this microwave oven become one of the important home appliances in the kitchen. So this I have shown one picture of microwave oven, and here we have discussed how microwave oven cook the food. So basic main part of this microwave oven is magnetron, which is used to generate the microwaves, and it is placed inside the strong metal box. So once we turn on the microwave oven, magnetron takes the electricity from the power outlet, and they generates the high powered radio waves. These high powered radio waves blast inside the food compartment through the channel called as waveguide. Then the food sits on the turntable, spinning slowly around, so the microwave cooks the food evenly. So to cook the food evenly, the turntable mechanism is used inside the food compartment, and again in the food compartment we are having the reflective walls which reflects the microwave inside the that food compartment. Once they reaches to the food, they simply do not bounce off, they penetrate inside that food, and as they penetrate inside the food, this microwave, as I said, this microwave penetrate inside the three things: sugar, then fat, and water. So this our food is a combination of all these things. So once they penetrate inside the food, they travel through it, and whatever molecule present inside that food, they start getting vibrating. Start getting vibration, or they got the vibration. So these vibrating molecules have heat. So the faster the molecule vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Right. So due to that vibration, heat is get generated inside that food, and that heat, due to that heat, our food is get cooked, or the food is get heated. So this microwave passes their energy onto the molecules in the food and rapidly heats the food. So this is a simple working, this is a simple way how our cook is get heated inside the microwave. So till now we only know that by simply pressing the button, food is get heated in the microwave. But now I think you have understood how the background process works. So I hope you understand this concept related to the microwave, that is history and microwave cook, how the microwave cook the food, and what are the different components used in the microwave oven. So as of now we'll stop over here, and in the next lecture we'll study the remaining part related to the microwave oven. Okay, as I said, nowadays these microwave ovens are available in cheap cost. So everyone is now having this microwave oven. But is this microwave oven safe? Okay, so we'll discuss these things, whether this microwave oven safe or not, and what is the meaning of heating inside out. Okay, as I said, my conventional oven heats the food outside in, where the microwave heats the food inside out. So in the next lecture we'll discuss these things, what is meant by inside out, and whether this microwave oven is safe or not, in the next lecture. So we'll stop now. We'll discuss the remaining point in the next lecture. Thank you.